What's going on, guys? It's Tech, and it's 1:30 p.m. on Wednesday, the 19th of February. And hey, guys, we're gonna set off once again in the Bitcoin economy, the crypto economy. I know it's been a while. I haven't been following cryptocurrency that much as of late. I've just been kind of just sitting tight. But in the past week or so, it seems that we have started to gain some traction, and you can see here up at the top right here, total market cap. Total market cap since the new year has increased by over $100 billion, about. And if you look here at the all-time, goes back to January 2014, where the total market cap was $9 billion, which is crazy, right? When you think about it, it's absolutely insane that it was just 9 billion. At its peak, it was 720 billion, and now we're down at 289, basically 100 over what it was at the start of the new year. So, there's more action picking up, and I think what's happening now also is if you take a look at the market over the past 30 days or so, you can see how many things have just gone up from 0 to 30, 100. I would say like the average is around 30, 40. It seems like there's a lot of coins in their 30s that have increased over the past month. 30%, 35%, 40%. It's 39%, 69% for waves. So you can see there's been a lot of movement in the past month. So if you basically spread your money across a number of coins, you would be up, 20, 30, 40% right now. But when you look down here and you see how many total cryptocurrencies there are, the amount is still going up, even though it's been in a bear market for a while. The number of cryptos is still going up. I mean, there should really not be any more added because there's probably less than 100, 150 at most that are worth anything at all. So I think what's going to happen is if there's a lot of dead coins, and I think people can't even actually unload them. You take a look at some of the coins that are let's just move to like the 100 to 150 range. Okay, you see the volume here? 100 million. This has to be wash trading, because who is trading these? A lot of these are absolutely worthless. And, here we go, Electronium, one of my former favorites, 564K in volume, 24-hour. Wait, let me do day. Let's do a day. So you look at the day volume, and look at these volumes: 24K, 71K, $119 wax. Some of these are just trading with their own, the same people trading back and forth on different accounts on the same exchange. I mean, there's a lot of wash trading going on. So, the cream is going to rise to the top. Let me just look at the volume. Can I do that? I don't think I can. Wait a minute. All right, here we go. So here we go at 20, right? 20. And the volume's not in any specific order, but All right, this is the top 50. All right, so the 50th coin, the volume is only $1,600.09 in 24 hours. Let's go even further. Let's take it another step down. Oh, okay. So once you go above 50, they do not allow you to, let me see. It's not in order anymore once you go above 50. But take a look at this and look at the volume. So the 50th coin volume is $1,600. So most of these are dead. You know, you could probably say 6,000 of these are totally dead, worthless. So, you know, as we get ready for the next alt season, the next Bitcoin big move up, you have to consider really which coins have any value whatsoever. And those are the ones that you want to get into. Now, what I'm doing personally is, let me go back to the rank. Top coins. So the top coins, of course, Bitcoin number 1, Ethereum 2, usual suspects, right? But let's talk about which ones beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum are actually of value. Now, the ones that I've been accumulating have been a lot of Ethereum-based coins or tokens like Chainlink, like BAT, Cenovate, Telcoin. Okay, these are some of the ones that are going to be very valuable in my opinion. And then you can take a look at Litecoin. All right, exchange tokens are always valuable in my opinion and always worth a look. So Huobi Coin, Binance Coin, these are all, I think these are like winners without a doubt, because as long as exchanges exist, people are going to be using exchange coins, exchange tokens rather. All right. So let's go out beyond 50. And you can already see, like, once you hit 50, there's really, it's kind of meh. All right, Steam. Now, Steam was apparently bought by Tron, so I'm getting rid of this as much as possible. I'm cashing out of Steam totally. I think that's DOA. I think that's a dead platform. Steam is dead. I think Steam Engine and all that stuff it's trash. I mean, I don't see the future in it. I really don't. Somebody's gonna come along and do something much better, a decentralized, uncensorable blogging platform, video platform, video chain, blogging chain, and they're gonna do a better job. Now you get down and look at it. I mean, these are, what are these? You see what I'm saying? A lot of these are totally worthless. So when this next bull run begins, and I think it has begun, you really, really have to take a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cenovate, Litecoin, Binance Coin, Chainlink, Telcoin, Neo, IOTA, BAT, because some of these have very good use cases. And, you know, once people figure out which ones actually have use cases and have a chance to succeed, that's what's going to get flooded. So once people figure out, like, so many people in the dark about BAT right now. Once they figure out, kind of can put the puzzle together and see how everything works together, you're going to find people just flooding in. Cenovate, once people understand what this kind of internet means and what kind of value this brings to the table, people will flood into this as well. Telcoin, which is something that's very easy to move. Ethereum-based token, very easy to move. I don't know if you ever tried to use the wallet, but the wallet is super easy to use. You just send money, receive money. There's no KYC, there's no anything. It's just you send money to the app. You can send the coin via telephone number. Also, you don't need to actually have an address. If there's a linked address to a particular phone number, you can just send it via phone number. It's so easy. It's so easy that it's just common sense. It's the easiest cryptocurrency to trade, use, send to other people, in my opinion, hands down. I mean, the app is easy to use. Your grandmother could use this app, put it like that. So that's common sense to me. But yeah, so this is the time where you get focused, start watching the movements every day again, and pay attention to the news, and you can make a lot of money. Get involved with BAT. If you have a YouTube channel, if you have a Twitter account, if you have anything, sign up as a BAT publisher. Get Brave browser, which you can download in the link below the video. So get the Brave browser, get a publisher account for BAT, start accumulating BAT. Gemini Exchange, you can buy a cryptoverse, which is basically a index fund of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Zcash. So you can actually accumulate cryptocurrency that way. You can sign up to Coinbits. There are numerous ways where you can start to accumulate cryptocurrencies right now, but this is the time to do it. This is the time to get prepared, because the interest is coming back. It waxes and wanes over the course of years and months, but it's coming back right now, and everybody should get ready. So guys, if you like the video, subscribe, sign up to Brave, download Brave. It's available for Android, Apple, Windows, Linux, anything. And sign up as a publisher and start earning. You saw the advertisement that just popped up here. I'm getting paid for that, so you get paid for ads to pop up. It's just a genius system. All right, guys, take care. Have a good one. Peace.